Okay, today's good morning all. So today is 18th March. We are in first API provider for IBM Cloud meeting, and then okay, I think I might need to share my screen again. Just give me a minute. Hope you guys can see my screen. Cool. Please feel free to add your entries there, and I'll just copy it from previous meetings. So hopefully you can add more if your entry is missing there. Okay. You go like a regular flow. Think when did we release? Okay, Feb 12th, isn't it? Okay, release date. Think we did release. We did talk about the release part. I think in the previous meeting. That should be fine. Let's see. Quickly, we'll spend not a lot of time on the changes we pushed in last 1 month. So maybe we'll focus on the stuff what we have. Then maybe we'll spend a little bit time on the existing stuff, right? So there's a lot of stuff we need to do, discuss and like prioritize or anything for the current release. So that maybe we'll spend some more time on that. But yeah, quickly going to the history. Yeah, more of a like release. After the release, we have just updated certain things for pointing to a right dock, then pumping the CAPI to the latest 195 version, then whatnot. Yeah, this remembers me that we are supposed to get the beta or RC
Beta is supposed to be today.
today, right? I mean the next beta version. Okay. Yeah, so maybe we'll have to create task for the beta, right? Maybe. Yeah. Issue to adopt new version of CAPI, but mostly beta, and eventually, yeah, right? Beta RC. Or, okay. Suppose that there's a bump and there's some VPC image. Right now, I think this image we have published. Well, mostly we're doing it manually right now. Do you think it's worth exploring automated way, or it is too much right now?
Too much right
Okay,
now.
not required, right?
No, because we'll have to look into that backer thing and then
Mm,
automate everything.
Okay. Yeah, I think let's keep it for now. But definitely I would like, so maybe I think we need to have more hands there in terms of maybe like, right now I'm not sure, not a lot of people knows about this image building process, right? So maybe I'm just wondering if anyone else interested in doing stuff, please sign up. We need to have more people who can really sort of help us in terms of building the images. We'll put it here. More folks needed for image building, right? VPC plus power, yes. Okay. Yeah, all these items maybe, as I mentioned, Project, you just take care of these items once we finish the meeting. So next, CCM, update CCM image to fix the Power CI. Okay. Abhulay, do you want to talk about this a bit?
I think we tagged it to the wrong commit in the previous PR, so it didn't have the changes which we needed for Power VS. So we just updated the commit and also the templates to point to the new image which gets created with this latest commit.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. And also we have started promoting, right? I think if I'm not wrong, I think later point of time, I think we have done some CCM promotion to the production bucket. And I don't know whether we have started consuming it.
No, I think we had just created a task. I don't know if we actually did it.
Yeah, I don't see that anywhere here.
Within that promotion.
Yeah, I mean, I know somebody who worked on it. I don't remember. But yeah, maybe we need to promote um, or use the promoted image. Use CCM body image, right? Okay. Fine. And then did the release issue template. Thank you, Mulya, for doing that. And there's some bump in the toolings. A lot of these bumps. The small issue been fixed in VPC. Some global tagging, I think some authentication is missing for this one. So I think he's fixed that. Okay. And apart from that, it's CM. Right. Want to talk about this one?
Yes. So initially we had two different targets for different architectures to build a multi-arc image for PPC and AMD64. And the reason we had that was because when we first tried this multi-arc approach using BuildX, it was building AMD64 very fast, but it was taking a lot of time to build a PP64 image. So now what we have done is we have adopted that same approach for BuildX to build the multi-arc image, but passing the flags. But at the same time, we have also updated the machine type in the cloud build.yaml to use
Okay.
a higher processing
This one?
machine. Yes, this one. And also, if you go back and see the next commit, right? In that, the platform flags that we are passing, I have fixed it to use the build platform, the inbuilt flags, build platform and the target arc and the target.
But this way it cross compiles, cross builds instead of
Yes.
The native build.
Yes, and
Okay.
this way the build becomes much faster.
Yes,
And we
yes.
can do the actual build X properly instead of relying on the
Yeah,
different.
yeah. This makes sense. Cool. Yeah, these are the two commits we have done. Okay, cool. You're still using CCM from, okay, so that's another discussion. So we definitely want to have, I think maybe you and me and then Karthik will discuss on that part. CCM, we are still using the IBM clouds, the other repository, right? So we need to see what's the long-term plan on that part.
I think you had done, you had raised Priya somewhere for promotion, but we are not using it, right?
No, we will discuss on that because CCM part we'll discuss. Okay, so anyways, okay. So this one we use promoted build, right? So that I've done it. So for that, updating the promoted image. What text? Let's go back and check. So far the release is still set for May. We have what, another 1.5 month, right? We have 24 issues open. Are you good with timelines or any timeline changed? Not sure.
No, it will remain the same for the it tries on 25th March and yeah, 26th.
First, we'll go back to issues and then see what other issues, if we have anything which are not assigned properly. Milestone attached. Okay. This one from cluster, create template, investigate and remove cloud provider flag for Cube APS router due to removal. So Karthik, you
This is for 1.33. So I have created an issue as I observe the same thing as done for other providers.
yeah, but what is your take? So we should have it in this release. Are we adopting 1.33 images?
No, I think Manju, that's why for the next release, I believe.
Okay. But
Yeah,
one,
we are open for this, but I think we need 1.33 image, right? That's why we have kept on hold.
yeah, but 1.33 is what's the timeline for 1.33 by the way?
I think currently it's currently code freeze. I think another
Okay.
month.
Okay, so that means like maybe we'll pick it for the next release in that case.
Yeah. Yeah.
Enable infrastructure to verify and create a dedicated host doing. I'm not
Mr.
sure.
Foreman.
It's a feature. I'll put it as next. Not sure when he wants to come back. I see there's a troubleshoot guide. Mulya, who can help here? So someone debug this issue can help, or like not sure. What are we trying to do here?
Like just give some instructions on how to debug when the machine is stuck in provision state, so we can just check what is the state of CCM. So in minor instructions, I can update it, Manju. It wouldn't take much time. I think others are still exploring. Not sure if anybody has debugged it on the CCM level. So it should be a minor issue.
But I'm just wondering, somebody was like, you posted the pending thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, so but do you know what is going on? And then
Actually, this thing came out of that because it will be easier if people are able to debug issues themselves.
yeah, you understand. But I'm just trying to see if you know what is happening with this working with Amulya, or you still have.
No, so the issue I was seeing, I just deleted my cluster and recreated it, and that problem went away.
Okay. Same option. If it is the same option, so you should hit the problem
Yeah,
again, right?
exactly. To do what exactly the
Okay. Not sure. Okay, so but Amelia, when you want to do it, so in this release or
I can do it in this release, yeah.
are you sure?
Updating instructions shouldn't take much time. I feel like we still have 1.5. I can squeeze it in.
Okay. All right, so let's see what issues we have for this release. Okay, so this one, you want to do it, right? Yeah, there are so many issues. At least I see there are 2 issues. So this one, I think let's keep it aside for now. So maybe we'll ask Chris to look at it, whatever you want to do it. This one, I think somebody said they don't have bandwidth, right? Or I'm not sure who else want to take this up. Yeah, maybe we can float the information that Slack and see if there's anybody interested. So maybe you can try that, asking if anybody else interested in this, right? So maybe we can ask them to do it. Okay, so right now, okay, so this add instrumentation. So let's maybe go one by one. So, Ulla, what's status? Do we have?
Initial execution was started, but I have to pause it due to other priorities. But no, I do not have anything concrete here as of now. It would be great if somebody could help me out here to get started.
Okay. Do your market has need help or something, or I don't know.
Help. Yeah.
Okay. Bootstrap cluster with ignition. So it's assigned to you.
Yeah, so upstream is still working on it, Manju. So currently they started with having it the support in the within the cluster API repository, but recent update is that they the Fabrizio want to move it out of the CAPI repository. So the work is still going on there.
Okay. Then I don't think this can be done in this release, I believe.
Yeah, I think there is small shift in the plan from their side as well.
All right. But we don't have any plan B for that, right? I mean, do we have any other way to fix it or make it work?
No, only thing is we need to manually means use some third-party libraries to convert from between the ignition versions.
Yeah.
That's
I
the
think, yeah, I know you had some plan there. Not
uh,
sure if.
yeah, that's what I tried having the versions sorry the third-party library to convert from the older version to new version. That's there is a half done PR as well. Maybe if you want to continue in that way, we can try it out that as well.
Okay. Okay, fine. So anyway, I moved to the next release. We'll
Yeah.
see.
So
Okay, so ways to specify only Bootstrap. I know there is the design part. Great.
yeah, actually, after your review comments, we updated the enhancement a bit further.
Okay.
So previously we had prefixed some label key, and we were expecting that label to be present on all the nodes. But currently, whatever the label present on the node, we will try to match it with the additional listener. I
Okay.
think also updated the proposal with that change. I think this is a code change, but there is another proposal.
Where is this proposal at? Is it attached in this?
I think may not be. Maybe I will link it.
Okay, please do.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll merge that and then let's. But do we have a draft code ready for
Yeah, Manju,
anything?
whatever you see, right? That is the code. It's almost working. So we wanted to finish the proposal first and then go to the code. That's why we kept that on hold.
Yeah, proposal almost done, right? I think
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah. So proposal was, I think it would be good to finish the code as well within a few days.
Yeah,
It's
that's
all.
okay. Yeah, I'll okay. I'll review that and then close.
Yeah.
No.
For that.
It's not cool or something. Um, enable to e-test for infra creation flow.
So this needs changes in last time we discussed this needed changes in boss post menu. So we were waiting to see if tagging was available, but it needs further discussion.
Okay, so do you think maybe we need to move to next release because there are a lot of other items also we have?
Yes, we can move to next release, but how important is it to have this Manjul? I know that IPI is testing the flow in our
Yeah.
repository. What I was just wondering the priority for this.
Yeah, I mean, like it definitely will be helpful because this way, like we can definitely test and qualify that it works fine.
Yeah.
But considering there are a lot of other work items we are dealing with, like Kubernetes and then like the
Yes.
CSV account and all that, right? So I don't want to directly jump on this because there are a lot of other stuff we might need to deal with.
Okay, yeah. We can move it to next release.
Yeah. So let's finish all that stuff.
Yes.
Hmm. This provider attach disk, I think you're working on, right?
Yeah, so the code is ready. I'm just testing it out right now. After that, I'll have to add the tests for the code I've written. Should be done this week or next week.
Okay, cool. Thank you. This one we will skip. Support fetching POWIS network regular expression. So yeah, I see a PR there. Oh, it's closed.
Yeah, Manju, actually, there was some confusion regarding prioritizing the ID versus name. That we kept close this and we want to finish that up first.
Okay, but what's the plan? Are we still on track or do you think?
Yeah, I think we are almost good there, Manju. Maybe I think Dharnish can add more details there. I think for both the network and other things, we are the same issue.
Yeah, I haven't got a chance to work on that uh,
Uh,
the issue. Maybe I'll work on this week.
no issue. I think if you're busy, I can take up and no,
Okay.
Is assigned to Karmal. So Karmal will be working on this like point of
actually, Carmen took this up and submit a PR. But there was confusion, as I told, regarding the name and ID. So we have another PR, I think, where you want to update and fix everything at once.
Okay, so you want to help Karmal or
Yeah, I think I can do that.
meanwhile I'll assign both of you to this issue. Okay.
Yeah.
What is this, by the way? Can someone review? Can Karthik, can you review this PR?
Yeah, Manu, sure. I think I have reviewed. Maybe I will take a look at that again.
This next one. Okay. Mock pump issues.
Yeah, so on the upstream report, I mean, in the package, right, I think they have not yet found a fix for the issue. It's still open there. So I think unless they have something concrete.
Is it a genuine issue or like?
I don't know. I think it still goes about, but there is some activity going on there. There are people constantly asking.
Yeah, but just people are asking. I don't see any progress being made in that issue so far.
I think.
Yeah, no idea.
But should we take the bite and like make the change or?
Go ahead if you want to. I don't know what is this ELA and all that.
I mean, like we can update, but I'm not sure what could the implications.
Yeah, but what we need to update is the question, right? So how do you want to fix it is the question. I don't know. Maybe let's push it to. We don't have nothing blocking from our end. I think not significant impacts. We'll just move to next, please. Add ability to support multiple service instance. I think we wanted to work on the design aspects. Karthik, any update here on this?
Currently, no update, Manju. I think we need to discuss regarding the networking part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have all the information, or
Yeah, actually, I think we need to. I currently I don't have any much information regarding that. Means how we can enable multi-workspace connection. So thought we'll have one whiteboard session regarding that. So this one.
okay? So when we will do, maybe next week sometime.
Yeah, I think if you're free, you can do tomorrow or next week.
Yeah, let's. Oh, you're coming to office tomorrow?
Yeah, yeah.
Sure, can do that tomorrow in that case.
Yeah, then I
Fine.
will create a meeting for that.
Okay, fine. Reconcile unit test setting losing mocked properties. What is this? Yeah, so maybe we need to track with. Not sure if he has any idea how to fix it, or I'm not sure. I haven't looked into it.
Yeah, actually, I think why he's created that in the reconcile cost instance, there is a code flow where we are setting the API key and there is no way to mock it. So that part is missed in the unit testing part. I think he has created this issue to refactor the code and add a unit test case for that.
But who's doing it? So is he linked up there, or like? Yeah, it's got assigned. So did you follow up with him in this?
No much. Maybe I will check with him.
Okay. Just tagging. Maybe Anshuman, what we can do is like maybe whenever we follow up next time, right? So maybe we can ask them to put a summary, or you put the summary in the issue so that
Okay.
you know what's going on, right?
Yeah, he said that there were some concerns that he had which were pending discussion.
Yeah, I think it's good, better to have encourage folks to put the concern or the comment directly in the issue so that we all know what's happening. Ensure deletion of internal resources. Amelia?
Yeah, actually, Manju, right now, I think with some refactoring, we are deleting the DHCP server along with the Power BI creation. We're directly deleting the workspace. So this requirement came up when there was a talk that we have to, Power BI is introducing some changes that we have to delete internal resources first and then delete the workspace. So it's not implemented yet, but it was a hard requirement then, which was not implemented. So we thought just maybe having that beforehand would actually help. But again, this has some challenges.
Then we'll push to the next milestone
Yeah.
because we don't know what needs to be done at the
Yeah.
moment.
Sure.
Standardize the controller flow. Not sure what really this means.
Yeah, Manju, this is with respect to the we want to follow with the CAPI flow. I think they have some helper functions to set the finalize and all. So we want to follow a similar thing.
Okay. But these issues are like created long back and then just assigned, but I don't see any progress at all.
But he said that there's a PR pending for this.
Where is it? Sure.
I don't know. He just said, oh, there's a.
Maybe I need to ask him to tag it. Let's do it. Maybe I just start feeding the comments directly there. Okay. So maybe once in a week, maybe we need to follow up with the folks.
Sure.
Because I see a lot of content. I'm not pretty confident on that, like whether we'll be able to finish in next 1 month or 1.5 month. Or you guys have a different opinion? It's huge. Maybe we need to set up priority. Maybe I need more help there. Rajat, maybe post this call. Do you mind setting the priority or?
For the issues.
Yeah, I think we need to set the priorities, and then based on that, I think we should start looking at these things.
And
We need some project management. So many issues.
Okay.
It's trying some help from Rajat. Cool. Very. Okay, so add a description for environment variables. I think this is a PR created for this one, right?
I think
Yes.
it is already merged, right?
think it, yeah, it got more.
Where? This one is not.
Okay.
This is the one, right?
Yeah, it's the one. Okay, it's not yet matched.
Maybe we need to ask people how to use this field efficiently so that tax it updates the
Right, what?
yeah,
I approved it yesterday.
approved it.
Not-
Has not succeeded. Oh, this could be the reason. So it's netlify is not ran. Yeah. Some of the other environments. Okay. YAML lints runs via GitHub action, isn't it?
Get away.
Okay, so even adding OK to test, it will not run. So because you need to explicitly approve it.
Okay.
Just wondering if we can move that to a KTS Pro job or something.
Via space.
Yeah, somehow. Yeah. Yeah, what is it? GitHub actions are always pain in certain things. I'll have to find, yeah. I mean, maybe a Pro job will be better in that case.
Then we'll have to remove it from the actions and move it to the
Yeah,
file.
yeah.
Admin.
Or something like that. Very. Where is that?
Okay. Disable the HTTP tag.
Okay.
This one has a PR, I think.
Yeah.
If I remember correctly, the PR has to be.
Okay.
We already discussed this with the previous.
Oh. This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'll take a look. What's going on here? Update release data in documentation. Oh, somebody.
We picked it up, but not very simple one.
Yeah, can we tag the person and ask if she wants to update, or maybe you can ask if they're not interested, maybe you can ask others to pick up. Drop a comment in the issue itself. Priority to network name or DHCP server name while creating DHCP servers. So Dharnish, anything?
This is the issue you talked about it, Karthik talked about it.
Okay. So that
It's a prerequisite to Carlos issue.
okay.
So I haven't got a chance to work on this. I'll take up this week.
And add E to E, sorry, E 1080, 1050, sorry. Who's gonna it ask? Not sure.
Oh, yeah, she said that it will be done by next semester.
All right, fine. Container registry shutdown. So do we need anything here?
And nothing as of now, Manju. They have already made the redirection to the new registry. So after that, they will help us migrate to the new domain.
Okay, I'll just mark it as complete. Think we need anything there in that case.
Yeah.
What's this? Explore on.
This is for weekly database scan.
Oh yeah.
It's I need to look into GitHub apps for this because there was no straightforward way to do this. That is still pending. I'll take this up after I complete the additional modules.
Okay, fine. We can do it in 1 month, or you need some more time.
Sure.
Okay, then maybe I'll just put it next milestone because it's not something very urgent anyways. This is done, right?
Yes, it is done. Yeah. Just for that, we are also used for this.
Yeah, but why it's not tagged? Okay, interesting. And read the list. Okay. This requires change in the make file and then whatnot. Who's Sharath? Not sure what's happening there. Okay.
So on this one, I did some investigation on that. So I see that there are 3 different layers of those manifests which are coming up. I tried building up locally and then by trying to push it to my Docker hub and everything. And we need to get rid of those. But when I tried to build it on my local and pushed it to my registry, right? Even then I could see those 3 manifests. I'm not sure exactly why they're coming, but I'll have to see whether it requires kind of like a clean new image to be pushed to the registry so that we can get rid of those 3 layers. So
Okay. Oh, right now we don't know why.
that time we don't know why. But one thing is when you try to pull with the SSH, right? It gives you errors that this SSH does not exist and all for those unknown things. So,
okay.
So we need to get rid of those. That is for sure.
Okay. Okay. Let's dig it further. Understand. This one is the last one. Okay, that's fine. I see at least 18 issues assigned to this milestone, and then list is little huge. I mean, it's big. Not sure whether able to contain or not. So I'm a little doubtful. So please revisit, go and then, work on these PRs or the issues and then make sure we, merge as many PRs as possible. And there's a huge list of PR lists. Right. So yeah, lately it's pretty bad that a lot of these things are started failing. I think we need to fix what? Go tools?
Yeah, that we
Tools?
discussed
Yeah.
that we need to bump Go. So I'm already working on that.
Okay.
First, beta very release so we can get.
Fix the latest CICD issues. Yeah, so maybe you want to create an issue or something for this? You put all the information.
I think it will come as a part of that adoption of the new KPI.
Okay, fine. It's almost pending. And there are a lot of this needs to be merged anyways, that's fine. Check if policy instances are cleaned up in the workspace before creating cluster. This is rotten. Is it still valid?
I don't see this issue in the CI currently, Manju. Maybe we can close and revisit again.
Okay. I'll just close it for now in that case.
Yeah, I'll just add a comment.
Oh, yeah, just add a comment.
Yeah, I'll add a comment. Yeah, I'll add a comment. Yeah, and close it.
Close it. This is also failing. I'm not sure why it is failing. Can someone take a look on this one? Prajot?
Yeah, I'll check on all those as part of it.
Yeah, all these other, yeah. So let's make sure we, close or fix these things. Multiple workspaces support. Anyway, this is pending. Add flex disable. So this will review and merge. This requires the other PRs to be merged. It's fine. This will get merged. Got the approval. Add the okay. This also we should get merged. I don't know why it says CLA. No. Interesting. I'm not sure. No.
That can happen with the email field and get is set incorrectly. It had happened with others a few times.
Okay. I'm not sure. Can you cross check with Shilpa on this? Is this PR so? Hey, Karthik, do you want to review this, or I see some comments there?
Yeah, Manju, I reviewed, I think, last week.
Okay.
Yeah, I think yeah, it needs some change for sure.
Okay, fine. This is in draft. Need some more time, right? Kishan?
Yes, Manju, I think I put in the initial points. Maybe if I have to elaborate a little more, I can, because I think few points were with regards to where the images are being, the Google Cloud build part, right? I think that needs a little more clarity. So once that comes in, I can patch it.
Okay, so this one needs some time anyways. It's fine. All these issues will get fixed anyways, actually. Yeah, that's pretty much. And then let's see the CI. How we are doing. Still, it is our own pro, internal pro. So hopefully one fine day we'll see in the public pro. That needs some more time, maybe a couple of more weeks, maybe. And we need more. We'll talk later.
Huh?
We'll talk. Oh, wow. It's pretty stable. Yes, number of failures. Interesting. I don't know why.
This, I don't know, Docker failed to start in the pod itself. Nothing with the job, but in the pod, I'm not sure if it's an environment thing or something. It happened twice.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, that is it.
What's your question?
Hmm.
The CAPI for IBMCloud, majority of the work's been done from the team here.
Yeah,
Are you getting help from IBMCloud itself or any other folks?
not a lot.
But it's being consumed.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
Even IBMCloud and
VPC folks, no, VPC API, right? So yes.
So, points,
Sure.
let's get some.
Yeah, we'll discuss on that.
Hey, who's the technical lead of that? We had talked once. Right?
Jeff Nowicki. Nowicki.
Yeah, we had a, I think, okay, we'll talk.
I will talk on that. All right, if no other question, we'll close the call.
Thank you.
Thanks all.